Who happens to be my professor way back in undergrad. So, for one of the books that I have in here, Being and Betraying, I chose something that is, I think relevant to the current situation of our country. Sa dami ng book. So, I chose Some Big Shots Have Been Using Me. Some big shots have been using me for target practice. They call it preparing for progress. I ask that my taxes be reduced, but bang goes my left ear. I demonstrate against police brutality. Bang go my fingers that hold the placard. Floods and lahar carry my patrimony to oblivion and bury my town. I ask the mayor for an old pair of shoes. Wham! Go my feet flying into the garbage can. I beg for cheaper rice to energize my mouth. Wham! Break my teeth. Like ice cubes falling against the floor, democracy is a tiresome habit. I have to stand erect or it will fall. There is no coffee break for the honest. My stomach grumbles for lack of food. There goes the light bulb on my mind. And darkness devours the empty kitchen. Keep quiet, keep still, they whistle, as they feed bullets into their anger's chambers. Some big shots have been using me for target practice. Oh, if they would only shoot straight and hit me in the heart for a change. Thank you so much.